Hi, I'm Nana and welcome back to our channel. If your iPhone speaker sounds too low, here are some easy fix you can try. So first of all, press the volume up button and make sure your volume is at the maximum level. Next, check that silent mode isn't affecting what you're trying to hear. Make sure your phone isn't connected to a Bluetooth, headphone, or speaker. If the speaker grill looks dirty, you can clean it gently with soft or dry brush. After that, open up Settings. Scroll down, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then adjust the volume there. If you're having low sound during call, you can simply tap on Accessibility right over here. Now, scroll down, then tap on Audio. Make sure audio settings are configured correctly. And finally, restart your phone. If the sound is still low, you can update the latest version of iOS or contact Apple support if you think it's a hardware issue. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech guides.